2023 Mercedes C43 AMG 2.0 liter hybrid turbo. 400 horsepower, guys. Let's see what we got done on it. Got a stock converter up there somewhere stuffed up into a flex pipe. And what we did is a mid resonator delete. Flat square pipe, makes it a little annoying, but we do it anyways. All the way back into his stock rear mufflers that are hidden under some covers, into his stock AMG tips, C43 AMG. And there's the resonator we cut off. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Sounds clean. Here's the sound decibels. Hits right about 90. All the turbo. Go ahead and back it out. Turbo and hybrid system makes it a little bit quieter, but still a nice, good, clean sound. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our beautiful shop. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can give us a call right there. And you can find all our products at our website at exhaustaddicts.com. I think it needs the rears deleted also. Did you guys hear it on the inside? Pops to it. Personally, I think a muffler delete would also do really good on that. I think a muffler and resonator delete make it sound right. Let us know what you guys think in the comments.